The federal government is set to regulate barge operations at the nation's seaports, warning that carriage of goods on the waterways must follow proper regulations and guidelines. Ifunanya Eze reports.
Born out of the necessity of solving problems of transporting cargoes out of the seaport through the waterways, the barging industry has become a critical part of current port architecture. But the recent troubling incident that showed containers falling into the water raised concerns about the current structure of the barging industry. At this meeting between the Nigerian Shippers Council and barge operators, discussions centered on issues impeding effective barging operations, including security, safety, insurance, the tariff on goods, and minimum standards, among others.
Barge operations is a specialized, operation that needs a lot of technical and economic regulation. We are concerned with the tariff. We are concerned with the insurance, the cargo. We are concerned with even the frequency, of the sailings and so many other availability and so on and so forth.
A few measures have been put in place to forestall a reoccurrence of the accident. Things like limiting double stacking of containers to only empty containers. Things like engaging with the Nigerian Navy to monitor the flash points on the waterways. Things like ensuring that all the captains are exposed to more training, all the engineers are exposed to more training. Things like working with NIMASA and NIWA to recertify all the craft that have been used on the waterways.
Also underscored was a need to protect the capacity of indigenous barge operators.
Protecting, indigenous capacity as far as barge operation is concerned. It is important we look at the Cabotage Act and see how the barge operation will fit into those areas that we should protect for Nigerians.
What you see now is that the shipping lines and the terminal operators have some sort of alliances, and these alliances go a long way in stifling the operation of the smaller local operators.
They affirm that enforcing a workable standards operating procedures would create a competitive port environment, which is key to forcing prices down. Ifunanya Eze, TVC News, Lagos.